The touchscreen is your control panel for accessing functions, features, and apps in your Tesla. This video will provide an overview of the home screen, its features, and functions. Starting at the top left of the screen, you'll find a row of icons that act as shortcuts to features and settings of your Tesla that will always remain stationary while interacting with the touchscreen. The padlock icon visually shows that your doors are currently locked or unlocked, and when touched, will lock or unlock all doors. The electric bolt brings up your vehicle's charging preferences. The home icon shows all your HomeLink connected garage doors, gates, lights, or security systems. Up to 3 of these devices can be controlled by your Tesla. The person icon is a shortcut to access valet mode and driver profiles. Valet mode restricts access to your vehicle when handing it over to a valet. Driver profiles allow you to change your pre-programmed seat, wheel, and mirror placements. The Tesla T logo brings up an overlay of all your vehicle's information and allows you to name your Tesla, which we'll do right now. And done. You can also view the release notes for the latest software update. The Bluetooth icon shows your connected devices and acts as a shortcut to connect a new device. To connect a device, make sure Bluetooth is on the device you want to connect. Click Search on your touchscreen and tap the device you want to connect. A code will be shown and a pairing message will appear on your device. Click Pair and your device will connect to your Tesla. Once connected, sync data from your device to your Tesla. The signal icon shows your data connection strength and, when touched, allows you to connect to a local Wi-Fi network. If you didn't know, your Tesla is always connected to a cell signal to provide a data connection to the vehicle. And lastly, time. This shows the current time of day. Below all these shortcuts is your app row. These are the applications that come with your Tesla and include music, navigation, calendar, energy, web browser, camera, and phone. Each app can be displayed fully on the touchscreen, or by tapping the bottom left of the app, you can split the screen to show 2 apps simultaneously. In the bottom right-hand corner, you can swap which position, top or bottom, the app is active in. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Vehicle Controls button to access all controls and settings for your Tesla. Climate controls for the vehicle, including heated seat climate controls and audio volume. Volume can also be adjusted by the scroll wheel on the left side of the steering wheel. If you are in need of additional assistance, you can reach Tesla support at 844-248-3752.